What's up, everyone? I'm Steve Werner.
And I'm Bill Watson.
And we are
Alair Homes Gold Canyon.
On this episode of Living Better Starts Here, we wanted to feature this beautiful custom home we finished here in Lost Gold Estates at Superstition Mountain Golf and Country Club. Bill, why don't you tell us a little bit about this one?
Yeah, Steve, this is just under 3,800 square foot. It's a 3-bedroom with a large office, a 4-car garage. Beautiful setting. It's got a negative edge pool in the back, right on the golf course. Couldn't be a better home.
Well, let's take a closer look.
Let's do it.
Thanks everybody for watching this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. Bill, have anything else to say?
No, I just appreciate you guys' time. Once again, we love what we do. We build a beautiful custom home, and look us up anytime you can.
Yeah, reach out to us at any time. And until next time, remember, every day's a new day. Let's make it an awesome one.